in the farthest reaches of northeast India, where roads end and mountains begin, there lies a valley few have heard of and even fewer have dared to explore. Mechuka, a land carved by time, standing just 29 kilometers from the Indo-Tibet border. Untouched, untamed, and for the first time in history, transformed into a battleground of human endurance. Welcome to India's first ever border adventure race. Racers gathered athletes, explorers, dreamers from all over their challenge. A 180-kilometer course non-stop across rivers, forests, mountains, and skies. Trail running, mountain biking, kayaking, rope work, and pure navigation. No GPS, no shortcuts, just compass, courage, and comradeship. Mechuka is more than just a destination. This serene valley, home to tribes like Membas and Bokas, opened its arms to something extraordinary this April, the third National Adventure Racing Championship.
ये फोक डांस इसका नाम जो है गोरशे, तो इसको जो है हम लोग हफ्ता में एक बार हम लोग कराया जाता है। तो इसका ये एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ये है कि अपना कल्चर को प्रिजर्व एंड टू प्रमोट।
This is my first experience of racing in a cold weather condition like this.
I know one of the enemies of the race is weather, so I think if we beat the weather, I think the race should be okay.
ऑक्सीजन लेवल हम लोग बियर करने के लिए थोड़ा तकलीफ होगा, स्पेशली बाहर से आया है.
And all of a sudden you come to a different terrain where your body needs to acclimatize to a certain weather. And apart from that, the food habit of this place needs to adjust your gut health and all. So including that, you need to race. Very funny, but then people think the race starts when the flag off. It's very funny, but then I think the race starts 4 or 5 months before when the rollouts of the race happens. So you plan your race from there. So race has already started, just a platform to perform now. That's it.
Terrains and all, I think we're used to it because we were born and brought up in the mountains.
हम लोग श्योर से नहीं बोल सकते ये अपना जगह है, हम जीतेगा, ऐसे बात नहीं है.
Honestly, this is more of a team sport. Any single person's strategy won't work in this. We have to work as a team. We have to race as a team.
No one is gonna be like मुझे ये आता है मुझे करने दो. हम सबको कुछ ना कुछ आता है तो हम सब वही लगाएंगे. अपने इंडिविजुअली हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे.
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, it's just pressing on my foot.
Race has come to an end for us at least. Abhi there are few teams who are still racing. In fact, we have no clue like how many teams are out there. It was really bad accident that we were really not hoping that to happen. For the closing statement from my side, I want to say that adventure racing is no joke. If anybody is thinking that this is cool, we want to do it for the Instagram, YouTube, and all those things, please don't consider that. You have to be mentally, physically, and you have to be capable beyond your imagination.
If I start talking, I might cry. But whatever tears I've shed yesterday is all because I couldn't complete the race. Pain to hai. I mean, when you come for adventure racing, you mentally be prepared that this might happen. Anything can happen. You know, you might lose your leg. It can be anything. I was prepared for this, but the fact that I couldn't even reach like half the race, I couldn't experience half of it also, it's really hurtful because I'd been planning for this since forever.
She lost her nose ring.
I lost my nose ring.
So that
That is the second reason I'm gonna cry for.
So that is what hurting her most. But
Yeah, a lot.
We are going back to the medical way.
To look for it. Yeah.
Adventure racing isn't just about speed, it's about survival, decisions under pressure. When night falls and temperature drops, when your muscles scream and the next checkpoint feels like a rumor, that's when the real race begins. This race was a first but not the last. Mechuka has opened the gates to explorers, to storytellers, to a new era of Indian adventure. Some cried, some collapsed, some looked up at the mountains knowing they would never be the same again.
क्योंकि ये जो एडवेंचर रेसिंग जो इजी चीज़ नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा टफ गेम है. चलते चलते, रनिंग करते करते, इवन साइकिलिंग करते करके पूरा मसल क्रैम्प, उसके बाद कभी कभी पेट दर्द देते हैं, ऐसे होके बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल किया है. बट वी डिड इट